Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Ludo in Messenger, right? So to do that you have to just go to your Messenger mobile application here. Once you go in the search bar you can just type here Ludo Club, right? Or even though if you just type Ludo it's fine. So if I just search bar here, you can see that basically these are the clubs or communities you can join. But if you want to play, then here you can just go to the discover. Even though if you just go to discover, it just a group something. But if you find a play option just like suggested communities, then you can play the Ludo game directly from here. But if you don't, then there is a no way to do that. You have to just go to the Facebook, right? And if you want to play the Facebook Ludo, then you have to go and search here Facebook game, Ludo game. Then you will to able to play here, or you can just download it from your Play Store or App Store. So this is the only way. In the older version of Messenger you would get a direct option to play Ludo and other games, but in here it's not, right? So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.